In this tutorial, we will explore the Attach User node in SimLab Composer. This powerful node allows you to attach the user to a specific model within your VR experience, enabling dynamic interactions like riding a car, train, or other movable objects. By using this node, you can enhance immersion by linking the user's position to the movement of the attached object, creating fluid and engaging experiences. For this example, we'll demonstrate the Attach User node by creating a roller coaster experience. The user will be attached to the roller coaster cart, allowing them to move along the track as the ride progresses. This example highlights how the node can be used to create engaging and interactive VR scenarios. Now let's begin. First, open your project in SimLab Composer, then navigate to the Training Builder. Then, from the Events section, select the Scene Start event. Then, from the Responses section, choose that Attach User node. In the Scene Node input, attach the user to the model you want them to move with. For this example, we attach the user to the roller coaster cart. To detach the user from an object, you can use the Detach User node, which will remove the user from the attached model, allowing them to move independently again. Now let's test it.